Jam everyone, welcome back to another GC Crypto episode. It's good to be back. Tuesday here in Australia, Monday in America. Big week of news ahead. So I don't know, man. It will be good to dive into lots of different topics today. Lots of things to discuss, but market's still very steady. We've had a bit of a relief bounce overnight. Got stopped out of my BTC short, still holding my ETH short. But yeah, lots to discuss. Craig, mate, how are you on this fine Tuesday morning?
GM Greeny, GM everyone. GG to America. I've got a McDonald's hot chocolate here, man. Fresh off out of the belly. So yeah, just enjoying a hot chocolate with marshmallows, man. So it's going to be a good morning. Yeah, I woke up, Bitcoin bounced. Kind of happy about that, really. Mm-hmm. I'm not especially keen to see 112, 108. I mean, I will if I need to, but
I want to see 106. I want to see 106.
Yeah. Look, I'd just rather just take 200 to be done with it all, really, to be honest with you, and just end it maybe in a couple of months. But yeah, look, so be it. Everything's bouncing. It's a happy day. It's a bit cloudy here, which is nice for change. So maybe I don't have to feel pressured to go outside. I can just hide away and bid everything. But everything's bouncing. Just catching up with the markets now. So yeah, let's take it away and see what we can find, Greeny.
I woke up this morning. Well, not really. We set an alarm for 6:15. We didn't get out of bed till 7:15 because it was raining, dark, and cold. It's like the perfect. I woke up. I was like, oh my god, I'm staying in bed. It's like the best scenario to sleep when you have all those three.
Yeah, that's not like you either.
I know. I don't know. I'm exhausted. I am exhausted at the moment. So busy times. But yeah, before we obviously get stuck in, massive shout out to our partners over at OKX Australia, or OKX more broadly. Fantastic platform, guys. Super easy to get started on there. We give you, if you sign up in the description below, I'll throw it in chat in a minute's time as well. We give you a little cheeky bonus of $75 that you get when you sign up, guys. There's some extra bonuses. If you trade $1,000, I believe, on the platform of volume, you actually get a WCT, which is Wallet Connect token as well. So they're giving you a bit of an airdrop incentive as well. So come check it out. As you can see, AUD is really easy for me over in Australia. But obviously, if you're somewhere around the world, you can also onboard and offboard your cash really easily, which I love. It's one of the safest exchanges in crypto, has never been hacked. Touch wood, that continues. But obviously it's super easy. Then also, as I was discussing yesterday, there's a few other amazing sort of tools and things that you can use. They obviously have self-managed super funds. They have earn on here. So I'll be putting some yield and whatnot moving forward as well on the platform. So super excited. We do have our IRL event with OKX and a few other people in Australia in about 2 weeks time now, Craig. I think it's on a Tuesday. Is it a Tuesday or Wednesday from memory? I think it is the Tuesday.
Yeah, so, I think it's Tuesday, which is...
It must be 2 weeks. 2 weeks today. 2 weeks today.
Thirsty Tuesday. I don't know what to call it. Taco Tuesday. What do we call it? Something Tuesday. Anyway, come and get it. Come and listen to us live Tuesday and have a couple of pints and hopefully have a laugh. Hopefully, I don't know, just maybe, I don't know if I want to use the word learn, but be inspired perhaps, Greeny, is probably a better way to put it. You know, everyone can find their own way to trade. There's no one way to trade, but find what fits with you. Make sure you're having a good time doing it and apply yourself and just be consistent. And then the rest is history, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's trading.
Yeah. That's it. And I mean, yeah, if you have any questions, guys, about OKX, let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out within GTG or in the comment section down below the videos, or just send us a DM. We're more than happy to help you out. But this is our go-to exchange at the moment, which is fantastic. Obviously, before we dive into the market, guys, big news. Go follow us at GC Crypto, okay? As Craig and I have been alluding to, we have some huge announcements coming soon. Can't wait to give some cash. I'm going to say cash away next week, guys. So the beautiful part about this is, one, you must be a follower of us of Twitter. You must go over to GC Crypto TV if you want to qualify for any of this cash. You've got to be a follower there. And secondly, okay, if you tune in live, there'll also be a bonus. So we're super excited about that as well, because at the end of the day, we want to help give back. Craig and I are all in the world of education, in the world of providing alpha, and obviously in the world of giving back some opportunities that we have as well. So super excited. Won't announce it yet. We'll announce it next Monday. But yeah, super pumped. Go follow us at GC Crypto so you don't miss any updates or anything like that. Okay, and huge cash giveaways coming soon. Coming soon to the show. Super pumped about that. Craig, where do you want to start today, mate? Do you want to start on the Apple leaderboard, mate? The Moonbird leaderboard, mate.
Yeah, man. I need to verify that I'm an owner. I see that Eli Look, it's good to see that the Americans got on there nice and early, isn't it? I wake up and everyone's kind of established their position. Dirty old Greeny's got his connected, so that's good to see. From doesn't have it connected, dirty frog. But nah, I did see this one of my number. Oh fuck, I'm a bit below you, but somewhere around there. What am I? 50? I don't even know. I only just saw it. I really should.
Oh yeah, 56, mate. 56. I think if you connect your bird, you might go a bit higher potentially. I don't know.
Yeah, because I've been posting pretty ferociously about them, man. I must admit. So there's a couple of plebs above me there that I think I should destroy. Yeah, I won't name names, Tyler D, but yeah. Nah, but I don't know, man. What are your thoughts on this? Is this?
I like it, man. I do like it. I think this is cool. Obviously, like I own 3 Moonbirds. It's cool that obviously if you can tweet about the collection, their updates, all those sorts of things, you can earn some mind share and some contribution to their, which is interesting. It's overall contribution, including mind share and other forms of participation. That's cool. Like it shows you that it's not just mind share. So as you can see here, Eli, for example, owns a Moonbird and whatnot. So he gets a little bonus. Same as me. I get a little 10.1 bonus as well. So yeah, that's cool. I really like that. And I assume it's the same if you own a Mythic. I don't know if it's just Moonbirds or Mythics. You'd have to clarify on the platform. But if you do own one, go. You just go to your wallet section and you add that wallet that's holding your Moonbirds in there. And
shout out to I don't know how to say his name, Kuyamark. How do you say that friggin' name? That the puppet. He's a big puppet.
I don't know.
Big in the puppet world. Anyway, I can't believe. Geez, third. That's astronomical. I must be asleep when some of these people post, bro. I'm not even shaming anyone. I'm just like, when did he post about? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, he's a great dude. Fucking awesome puppet. But so I'm guessing you can probably earn a bit of a claim from this, Greeny. Is that what we are?
Yeah, well, we don't know. Like this could be in partnership with several opportunities out there. It could be just purely the Burb token that eventually comes. Who knows, man? So I really like it. And Mount Doji does say I need to scoop up an OKX McLaren shirt. Yeah, dude. We honestly, we will have giveaways with OKX as well. We just obviously it's the first sort of couple of weeks that we're partnering with them, but in future we will have giveaways and whatnot. You will obviously have to give us your address or some form of address, but we'll be able to give out merch and stuff.
Meet you at the McDonald's car park, to hand over.
Hey guys, just fly. Can you fly to Brisbane? We'll meet in like somewhere random. Okay, at the McDonald's car park. We'll just look each other like this and go here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so no, we will have merch giveaways and stuff as well, which is exciting. I think at the IRL OKX event in Brisbane, we will have merch giveaways there. So that'll be cool. I think if you, bring some questions along and we engage with them, we'll give you some merch. So yeah, definitely check that one out. But yeah, this is cool. I like this. It's cool. I mean, I've been yapping about them for a while, which is dope. So as you can see here, I'm a shit poster apparently. Well, majority of people are shit posters. So there's people that shit post more than me. But yeah, it's interesting to see this. But yeah, cool times, man. It's nice to see. This is a different kind of approach, and I like that compared to your standard sort of Cato approach. So good to see that, Craig. Good to see that. In terms of NFTs, though, we have seen a bit of a pullback across the board, and I spoke to GTG this morning about that. I think it's not a bad opportunity here, Craig, across the board. Moonbird's back at 3.3. Pudgy's down at 12.7. Little's down at 1.4. Mythic's down at 0.41, so Mythics have actually held very well. I don't mind these entries. If they go a little bit lower, Craig, I actually really like these entries.
What do you want to get? What do you want more of? Do you want?
I don't know if I don't know. I see this is the thing. I provide value, so I'm more like, hey guys, this is probably a good entry here. Where it's, oh, you're frozen, or am I frozen?
Me, I am. No, I'm back.
Okay, he's back. He's back. I was like, oh wait, you're not there.
Back?
I don't know. I would maybe consider. I'd maybe consider a second Pudgy Penguin at 10 ETH.
Ooh. Yeah.
But ETH would have to be 4K, so it's 40K. Oh, dude, no, I wouldn't do that. No, don't be silly, Greeny. You wouldn't do that.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I'd be dumping 40K into that.
If I didn't own a Pudgy Penguin, I would like those levels.
Me too. Yeah, I'm the same. I just won't bother double dipping now. I don't think. I think it would be irresponsible for me.
Yeah, it's a tough one. Like Mythics are probably a buy if they do go back to 0.3, in my opinion, around that. Yeah, Moonbird's back to 2.5. I would actually probably buy another. I'd buy a 4th or a 5th. Yeah. I would.
So what's today? Today's Monday in America. So are we seeing it's a pullback across the board, really. It's not really Moonbird specific at all, is it?
No,
So it's not like
no.
it's an announcement gone wrong.
No. If anything, they're still up on the week. Well, most things are down on the week. So
yeah, so not terrible.
no.
I guess NFT is always going to have a little bit of a pullback if Bitcoin does what it does or what it did, and it had a pretty decent wick down, probably lower than people were comfortable with. So I guess people start to dump their risky assets, e.g. NFTs, which is kind of the reason we preach taking profit on them, because this is what I was going on the other day, that I should have taken a bit of profit on my Mythic, actually, this exact reason. And one of my worries was that even though I'm bullish on Moonbirds, what you need to be careful of is even if a project's you're super bullish on it, all it takes is Bitcoin to pull back 10%, man, and you're going to lose 20, 30% on the item. So yeah, just a little example of it happening real time now, really.
Yeah, look, I haven't shied away from this. I'll take profits, guys. I saw put a tweet up yesterday saying, hold on, I'll just find it. It's funny because obviously I'm taking profits on Memecoins over on Abstract.
Did people get upset?
The only culture coin on Abstract that is very enterable right now, SMP. And mob trader who's terrorizing the chart. Dude, I'm not terrorizing. I could terrorize charts if you want me to. I really could. I mean, he's a very good trader. I just wish he'd be a good trader somewhere else. I said, still holding, love me, but if you don't take profit, someone else will.
Yeah.
So that's the alpha. But yeah, no, that was some funny.
I wish you'd take profit somewhere else.
Greeny selling on stream is hilarious.
When was this? Was this morning you took profit?
Yesterday. No, yesterday.
Okay, right.
Well, I mean, I'm going to take profits, guys. I'm protecting downside risk. That's such a good photo. Just quite. Hey,
it's amazing. You look like the monkey from Donkey Kong there.
I actually do. I like my mouth.
Yeah, the mouth.
That would have taken some effort. That would have taken some serious effort to get that exact screen.
Did someone make that for you?
Well, no. Irv posted this, so Irv must have gone and done it.
Irv posted. I thought you did it.
No. Irv posted. Irv's a good lad. We've spoken to DMs before.
Yeah, he's the man.
But yeah, look, at the end of the day, I'm going to take profits, guys. If I don't, someone else will. That's key. It's not like I'm selling millions of tokens at once. I'm selling only 1 million at once. No, just kidding. I'm selling smaller batches. But hey, look, my thinking is, look, if we do see further downside risk, I do worry that these sort of things are going to crash hard. That's Memecoins, guys. I've been trading Memecoins for 2.5 years now. You got to take profits. Otherwise, you'll be the one holding the bag back to zero, essentially, right? So, look, scaling out, I still hold a bag of this. I do like the meme. I think it was cool. But exactly, Gion says, I've said I'm taking profits at any point. There's obviously, I haven't sold God. I haven't sold Retspar. I haven't sold much Greener. I've swing traded Greener. But yeah, no, those ones I'll hold. But the other ones, I couldn't really care. I'm happy to swing trade them, Craig, because at the end of the day, I'm here to make money, but also I don't want to lose all the money I've made is the key during this period of time. So
yeah.
I actually, I stabled up yesterday a bit, to be honest. So
did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What, selling abstract memes and waiting for?
Yeah, just a little bit. I did stable up yesterday.
What did you stable though? What did you sell?
So I sold out of just a weakness. I sold out of Meow. It broke down, man. It looked horrible. I sold out of I took some profit on Alpha because I was up quite a lot. I sold out of some the airdrop that I got. I actually think I got tweeted about as well. Hold on, let me find that.
What airdrop did you get? What was it?
The Google one, yeah. The Google one.
Oh, for holding I wonder if I got anything out of that.
He commented. No. Hold on. DD King, who sent me Google, commented on me. Let me find that tweet. Yeah, here we go. What meme coin are you most confident on 21 hours ago? The one you sold for groceries.
I didn't get it dropped anything. Maybe I can't. I must not be one of the top holders of said coins. I'm guessing.
No. It was just he sent it to me last week or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so I sold it. Look, it broke down. It broke support. I've stuck to my trading plan all cycle. All right. And look, you can call me out, bro. I had K Money and shit call me out at the Mog top, and they look like fools when it dumped for the next 3 more months after. So I don't give a shit. Like I'll tell you, I don't care. But I mean, look, like sick. Okay, if this is bags, amazing. I mean, I'm going to take profit. It's just the way I trade. Okay, I mistakenly failed over my last 7 years in crypto. I'm not going to do that for the next 2 or 3. It's as simple as that.
No, me neither. I intend to enter the bull. If I enter the bull market, man, with 0 coins, I will be very proud of myself. The only coin acceptable to still be holding would be some sats.
Yeah.
Other than that, I failed. That's what I think. NFTs as well.
I'd hodl. Yeah, see, it's an inch. Yeah, I'd agree.
I'm cleaning the cupboards, Greeny. I'm starting fresh, man. Bear run. I'm starting fucking fresh.
I like that.
Yeah, everything's going. It's going to be a fire sale, guys. So get ready. I'm dumping everything Q4, Q1, Q2. So no mercy, man. I'm sweeping.
That's right. The top's in at Q3, Craig. So I'll front
run. yeah, sweet. Hold on, guys. I agree with Greeny, guys. Don't do what I do. Hold on for the top, and I'll scale out, and you guys go for the big number.
Look, okay. Here's the story. If S&P comes down to the 1.16 mark or the 690K, people probably FUD this, but hey, whatever. I don't care. If it comes down here, I will buy more. I will buy more. That's how I like to trade. Okay. Yeah, so I still hold a decent bag.
That sort of chat. I'm holding a big bag of that.
Well, exactly. I was a little bit nervous too. Like volume started off. Abstract chain. I mean, the whole market started off a bit. Like this is down to 9. Oh, it's at 9, so it's steady. But yeah, I don't know. The whole market is just a bit indecisive. Like I know we haven't pulled back a lot. Like when you do zoom out on the weekly, it's not much at all. People are like, pain everywhere, but it's not. It's nothing. It's literally nothing. But like BTC does look pretty horrible here. I'm not gonna lie. If we can close back into this, then sure, we might be okay. But if we can't hold this sort of level here, about 114, we could easily go to 108, 100K, 105K. So, and in that scenario, you watch your Memecoin bags dump. You watch them dump by 40%, by 50%.
Don't even talk about it, Greedy. I'm trying to earn XP. Fuck.
I'm trying to earn XP too, Craig. Don't worry. I hold a stupid amount of some of these memes.
Oh, don't do it, guys. Don't sell your abstract memes yet. I haven't hit platinum.
No, but abstract memes have held up pretty well. So, to be honest, so I'm not too phased.
10-15% drop, maybe 20.
Yeah. Like my port went down to like 95 over the weekend, and it's back at 110 already. So it's like,
yeah.
But I always preference this by obviously not financial advice, guys, on the show. But I like to just look. You gotta understand when it ebbs and flows, when the market's a bit indecisive, when we have huge events in terms of macro this week. That in itself is a very no trade week for me, Craig. Like we shorted a little bit yesterday, as I said, we got stopped out on BTC, but it's very much an avoid clicking buttons week for me this week. Is literally like, because there's nothing I really like here. The one chart I am keeping an eye on actually is Pengu. We got time in my opinion, but if we do look here, I did put a tweet up earlier. It looks like if it doesn't hold this sort of range here or take out this liquidity at the 2.9 level, I become very interested in the golden pocket. If not, we obviously hold the 382 here, and you still have time over the next week or two to capture this breakout trend here. So yeah, I get staying patient, wait for price to come to you. These sort of things that we discuss every week, Craig, every show that we discuss is how we have done extremely well this cycle. Okay. We don't just plow money into things that are pumped like crazy levels. We don't just hold on because we want it to run to a certain level. We actually go, no, okay, this is breaking levels now. Maybe it's time to take some profit or scale out of weakness, whatever the trade is at this point in time. I will, people might hate me for this, but I also sold out a Rect, a few days ago or last week, and that was a really good decision because it has gone further. My thinking is it's been on a crazy run. I do like this coin. Give me a pullback, same again to the 0.5, 0.6 golden pocket. I become very interested up here. Not interested when it loses this support line. Okay, not interested at all. That's a short signal for me. If I could short this, I probably would have tried to short it, but you can't. So yeah, retest here of the short signal there, lower high, bang, we're going lower. Again, if this shows strength here at the 382, I become interested again. If it doesn't, okay, I become interested at wherever it wants to find support, okay? So these are sort of lessons that we hope you guys learn from watching our show every week, because a lot of people aren't educating you like this every day, live, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard or 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard time. All right, Craig, over to you.
Yeah, I just wish everything was still going up, man. It felt a lot better looking at
It's red.
NFTs. Yeah, sea of red. Yeah, I'm the same as you. I'm not buying here. Not really. Just thinking about it. I don't know. I probably need a bit lower to start entering things, man.
Mhm.
Bitcoin. I just want to see. Yeah, Bitcoin. I just don't know. I just don't know what it's going to do, man. I need to see its hand first. But yeah, there's nothing I really want to enter, dude. Like nothing's really got me interested. I want more abstract memes, maybe a bit more just to hit platinum sooner, but not now. Not now.
Dude, I hold to it. Actually, when I think about it, I'm bullish, but it makes me nervous.
Yeah, you hold a lot. I've got like a third or half of it you hold. Oh, yeah, third. Yeah, dude, holding pattern for me. I'm not going to buy NFTs here. I'm going to wait for them to go low. If they do, what would I get? Maybe maybe another big bird. Don't know.
Yeah, I kind of like that. I honestly think the best nearly opportunity is a big Moonbird. I do agree with that.
Yeah, probably
If
that.
you see it close sub 3, screams opportunity. Screams.
Yeah, yeah. So I think that. What I mean, are soul memes holding up okay?
Nah, absolute. I bought like yeah. I will talk about this. So I want to answer Board Elon's question as well in the chat. I bought like I bought 100 Sol. I went over to the trenches / swing trades. I plowed about 80 of that into charts. Over the course of about 2 or 3 weeks, majority of them went nowhere. I had one go up 2x, worthless. I took initials out of that. It's the only now meme that I still hold. The rest of them pretty much were break even or went lower. So Solana Memecoins are very like, and I know Clemente's been quite big about Solana Memecoin season not Solana Memecoin season, Memecoin season coming back again. I agree. I don't agree. Probably, I think it's going to be different. I think it's going to be the majors take the market share and the market cap way higher, not new sort of runners. Of course, you're still going to have a daily runner or the odd runner that goes viral, like that guy from Ibiza, right? But that's going to be a very short event, and the majority of the market cap is going to be made up by stuff like Rekt, Pengu, okay, some of the top memes as well that obviously keep showing strength. You got to remember Trump is worth, I don't even know, billions of dollars as well. So that naturally keeps meme coins up as well. So that's something to keep in mind. But to answer Board Elon Musk's question, do you guys actively LP coins or do you prefer to use your liquidity for trading? I know Craig does an LP. I want to LP. I don't have time. I find LP, you do kind of need to be on the pulse because you need to be on high volume tokens and on the tokens that are probably hot at that period of time. I know Easy dominates that. I know there's a few members in GTG that dominate LP providing. I know Zeneca loves to provide LP as well on specific tokens. It's just something I don't have the time to sit in front of a chart and like monitor in a way. So if you're early to a particular token, yes, I do like that. In terms of holding tokens in LP, again, I haven't really been confident in anything that I've seen that I'm happy. Like even something like Farcoin, which I know, is it Busy, Craig, that you interviewed about LPing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So he earns a shit ton from LPing as well. But even Farcoin's a bit it's on a range that I'm just not, I don't know if I want to hold it / if it goes down, I don't know if I really want to accumulate it from an LP sense, right? Which is how it works. So I prefer to trade. And I suppose and in chat, this is a good question as well. And Craig, I want to ask you this. I put a post up yesterday and I've been speaking about this for a while. Should I want to put money somewhere. But is it too early to put it into OKX and earn 9% yield on USDC right now? I put a post up yesterday. I'm trying to find it. Hold on. Here. Yeah. So am I wild for thinking that I should park 50 to 100K in USDC and just yield 9% a year right now? Or is it better to trade that I could make more money in the next 6 months and then do this in 2026? So a lot of people have some good opinions. I do agree. So high yield ETF, why not park it on chain? I actually prefer exchange. I think it's way safer than some of the on-chain protocols, but it's up to you and your risk. Some other ones commented about maybe you should buy some stocks and options. I know Easy's farming some of these airdrops over in Hyperliquid as well. I think, I generally, maybe I should just plow it into hype and just swing trade hype potentially. I don't know. So I'd love to get your take. Like, what do you think is a really safe way? I'm not even trying to make 2x on this. Like how can I turn 50K into 75K, for example?
Yeah, it just depends what your intention is for that money. So if you have, if you don't need the money for a set amount of time, then park it up and earn a yield. It really just comes down to your trading strategy, like we spoke about yesterday. So it depends what pot you're pulling it from, right? If it's your savings pot, if it's your trading pot, all those sorts of things. You've got to be aware of that, because the last thing you want to do is stake that money. Then there's a dip and you've got to unstake. I mean, we did speak about that yesterday. Was there a unstaking time for OKX? Did we clarify?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting to find more details. Hold on, let me look.
Because that would dictate the answer slightly. In saying that, if that money you knew was not to be touched, then the staking period doesn't matter as much anyway.
Yeah.
So really, I think the thing to identify is, do you need that money? If you don't,
to answer that question, no. I've still got plenty of cash in the bank and whatnot. So this is actually money that I'm like, I have taken out of crypto to put in the bank. Then I've realized that's sitting there doing nothing for me right now. Maybe I should do something in crypto again.
Then I possibly would. Yeah,
okay.
I think that's probably the best spot for it if that money's not required for the next year, 6 months, 2 years, something like that. And it might be a good way to force yourself to not touch it. Set and forget it, put it in there and tell yourself that's bear market spending maybe, or something. I don't know. Earn 10% over the next year or two, come back when the bear hits in, and you'd have 10 grand.
Yeah, well, that's it. Like if you, I don't know if it compounds. I need to double check. It might not compound, but yeah, say you have 20 grand in 2 years time from putting 100 grand in, like that's all right. That's better than any savings account you get. So
that's right. And that could be a fifth of a Bitcoin if and when it pulls back. Could be a quarter of a Bitcoin, could be a third of a Bitcoin. God forbid we go down to 60 something K. But yeah, I don't mind that. With exchanges, I would once again, as we speak about Greeny, check the safety of the exchange, where it's held,
all the protocol. If you want to do it on chain, yeah, exactly.
Check all that stuff for sure. But that's why we partner with OKX, because they don't fuck around, man. We've seen they haven't been hacked. Don't want to jinx them, but I've seen no comments from people saying anything sketchy's happened ever. So that's one of the reasons we've gone with them, which I can't say for all the other exchanges. Even personally, I've had issues with some of them. So
yeah. Okay, let's pivot to a world that you're more prominent in. Should I sell my bloody ordinals, mate? Because they have done nothing. I'm down in my BTC puppet. My node monkey has come down from 0.08 all the way to 0.05. The volume is struggling. Not even 100, not even 100K of volume over the past week. Oh my God, bro. Oh, dude. What's in store for ordinals, Craig? What's in store for ordinals?
Yeah, I think we have to wait till we hit another all-time high. So either you can exit now. Are you down on both?
No, I'd probably be even across them. I'd probably be even. Yeah. Because that's another 0.1 BTC, which is another 10 grand I could be using maybe somewhere else. I don't know. But is that 10 grand going to turn into 30 grand in 3 months time, in 4 months time?
I'd keep it in there.
It's so hard. I don't know.
Yeah, I'd keep it in there. I just think Bitcoin's not far from ripping. I think when Bitcoin breaks a new all-time high, if it does, I think you're going to hurt if we double top like we did in 21 and we have a pullback, an excessive pullback for 6 months. You're going to be hating life. But I actually don't think that's going to happen. I think we're just going to have what we spoke about yesterday. We're just going to keep grinding up. So I think the recovery will be quite quick. I think Bitcoin pullbacks will be 20% or less, heading up all the way through the cycle. They've actually been about that anyway. I think these go higher. I don't think you've got long to wait. I think you might have to wait 1 to 3 months, maybe. So
okay, yeah. So it's can you make maybe a 2-3x elsewhere in that time? I've already got bags of other things, so I like this as just a kind of a buy and hodl BTC, and the goal out of this is to make more BTC. Obviously, the goal is to turn my 0.1 BTC into maybe a quarter of a Bitcoin. That is literally a goal. A little 2.5x, I'll be happy, man.
Yeah, with that in mind at the moment, seeing that the volume's so low and where these sit, I actually don't see these going much lower. Puppets don't tend to go much lower than the threes you see there. So if you sold here, I think you're selling near the bottom.
Yeah, fair.
I think upside's greater than downside from here. I think you're almost seeing it at its worst here. Famous last words.
Yeah.
I like it as a hedge on Bitcoin. You've already got a lot of hedges on ETH. You got a lot on Abstract. Probably having a little bit on Bitcoin's not a bad idea. If you don't need the money, I'd probably leave it in there. And like I said, I think you've probably got 1 to 3 months to wait. You might have till the end of the year to wait, but yeah, depends on.
It's a passive approach. It's a passive approach, and hopefully, like, yeah, you can get a little cheeky 3 to 5x. I mean, if they do, like, that's it. If nodes go to 0.2, BTC go to 0.1, that's 0.3 of 3x more money. Like,
yeah, and especially if Bitcoin hit say 150 and you sell there.
Dude, you're up even more in US. Yeah.
Yeah. So no, I don't. I think if you sell now, I think it would be more a case of you wanting to put it into something else you saw more potential in. I think if you were selling just to put it into stables, unless you need the stables or if you're over allocated, then get it out. But if you're not, then I think leave it in.
Yeah, I think it's more that effect, right? I'm not over allocated. It's a little bit more of a random left field play that not many people are discussing. Surely they get a little bit of a pump. Worst case scenario, okay, I throw away 10 grand.
Yeah. So that would be my take on it. I just don't think you've got ages to wait to see an outcome. And I think if you end up having to sell and you get frustrated, it probably won't be much lower than here. So I think you're better to wait because I think your chance of upside's greater than down.
Okay, I want to talk about something yesterday that we discussed as well. And I know Easy is very, very bullish on this, but Chainlink obviously coming out with some bigger news as well more recently. So basically they've had the launch of their new on-chain reserve, which reduces their circulating supply, increases scarcity, strategic partnership with Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, and parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, which integrates institutional grade real-time Forex/precious metals data into Chainlink's data streams. Like
what?
Like that, I don't even know what that means, but like shit, like that's big. That is big.
Is that them tokenizing? Are they laying down the railroads
for everything moving on chain? Maybe.
I mean, this is the reason why I bought Chainlink in 21. When I first got into crypto, one of the alts I had was Chainlink for these exact reasons.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, for those reasons, it still did fuck all. In 21, I'm talking about, but obviously, as we know, things can change. I need to read that announcement a lot more thoroughly and try and digest it intellectually, what this actually means, because sometimes these companies can write a lot of words that mean very little. But so what they're basically setting up a reserve now.
Yeah, they have. So yeah, basically new on-chain reserve launch. So the introduction of an on-chain reserve mechanism converts revenue from revenue into Link tokens, effectively reducing the circulating supply. This action is designed to boost the token's scarcity and intrinsic value. Partnership with ICE, the alliance marks a significant step towards institutional adoption, bringing higher quality real-time financial data from ICE into the Chainlink network. This positions Chainlink as a critical infrastructure provider for institutional decentralized finance. Huge. Market reaction. The market responded well with strong enthusiasm, evidenced by a 66% increase in trading volume over the past 24 hours. This was written 2 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. Notable large acquisitions from Wales, around $21 million, basically indicating that there's significant institutional interest. I really don't mind this as a play. I do think you could potentially, like, BTC shits the bed. Obviously, this could go like this, right, and come back down. That would be a very good opportunity for me to long. From a spot perspective, buying here, what's the matter? Like, I mean, what's that? Like 10, 20%? Yeah, 30%. I don't really care about that. Like if your upside's a new all-time high, that's a 2x from here. Maybe this is the trade I'm looking for, Craig, where I just plow in a big chunk of money, bet it on what we've just seen, okay? Kind of like, have you noticed the shift too? Like Hyperliquid has changed the model. Hyperliquid has really changed the model. I know Jupiter had buybacks and stuff as well, but but Hyperliquid has really changed the model of how a lot of these companies are working. Like even people like, I know Easy's even said, we'll be buying Badogos with revenue we make, right? Like people are like, oh, we'll buy it and hold it in our own treasury, all these sorts of things. Like crypto's model is changing, Craig, because people are reinvesting into themselves. And that's bullish. Like, and same as Pump Fund, right? Like these are all bullish catalysts for these tokens. Like, am I out to lunch or is that a fair take?
No, I think that's a fair take. And I think perhaps that sentiment alone might be enough to carry price higher versus like, sometimes it doesn't need tech-based announcements or, a chain that's 10 times faster than Solana. Sometimes it just needs something like buybacks to get everyone's jimmies rustled into ape. And it's funny, crypto.
It is funny.
Yeah, that could send it, dude. The chart looks great. The chart looks very primed, and like you said, provided Bitcoin doesn't capitulate for a little bit, yeah, that could seem real sweet, man. That could seem real sweet.
I'm actually tempted to play a bit. I bought a little bit of spot a couple of days ago, and I am tempted to buy a little bit more just to have a equal positions on it. My query right now, Craig, is that I hold my abstract meme coin bag is stupid compared to the rest of my bag. So that's my main query of risk right now. Is I actually, whilst I'm very bullish on abstract, I do want to be in the top. Like my goal is to be top 100 ideally. Like that would be dope. I don't know if I get there, but basically, abstract dominates in terms of risk. Like, and I don't know if I like that if we correct. I like it if we hold and we go up. I think that's a smart play. If we correct, it's not a very smart play.
Yeah, I agree. You've hit platinum as well, haven't you?
I have hit platinum.
Yeah. So you've got options.
Yeah. Look, the first thing I'll sell is my little pudgy. I think that goes. Again, if it gets to 8 to 10K, I think I'm just happy with that. Take it out.
Same.
Do something else. Dude, people are shilling one ticker in my chat, and I'm not going to, guys, I'm like, is it on abstract or is it on Solana? I don't know what this guy. They are just shilling this one ticker in my chat. Goodness me.
Yeah, rate him.
But yeah, thanks for the tips too, Haymaker and Jock. Thanks for the tips, legends. I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know. I think Link, like if we just read that from a fundamental standpoint, like wow, that's hard not to be bullish. It's got a longer term play. Like it's a longer term play.
I like it. It's nice to see an older coin make some moves as well.
I mean, the tech hasn't gone away. Like it's always dominated. So
yeah, I agree. When's Litecoin going to come back a little bit?
Man, it's a meme coin. I still remember the highlight of this cycle nearly for me is when they quote tweeted me on a tweet.
That's amazing. Yeah, that was amazing. And it's also amazing they identify themselves as a meme coin.
I mean, look, it's a stable meme coin if I've ever seen one, Craig.
Fuck, man, that thing.
This is I've said this before. This is the first token I ever bought in crypto because it was cheaper than Bitcoin.
This Bitcoin, Litecoin, Chainlink, Decentraland. What was that coin called? Mana,
yeah.
They were sort of my top ones. And as you can see, when I entered in 21, this did sweet F4 when I entered in 21. I entered near the top, as you can tell, in 21, and it just went down. So I've got unfavorable memories of this coin. I was told it was the silver to Bitcoin gold, but yeah, I don't know, man. That doesn't look like silver to me because silver hit all-time high recently, and that has not hit all-time high. So that reminds me of like XRP before XRP went. So maybe it's that looks a lot better, doesn't it? Maybe this is what is about to happen for Litecoin, Greeny. The digital silver.
What about
surely Ethereum's digital silver now?
Oh, you'd have to say easily, yeah. I mean, gold is just like unbelievable, bro.
Yeah, that's fucked. All the boomers will be absolutely frothing at the lips over this. God,
that's nuts.
God, I've got a friend who's been accumulating gold for the better part of 10 to 15 years.
Well, if you bought in the last 5 years, you're up 70%. Bitcoin's outperformed that tremendously since then.
Yeah, I try to tell these guys they don't listen, man. They don't listen. They don't listen. But when I buy my 5th house, then they'll. Jokes. I
think I just keep it Hyperliquid, keep it simple. I like their model. I like the fees they're generating every day is nuts. All these sorts of things. Link, if they're really partnering with this, they're going to be the leader. Do you remember when we had Wendy on the show? Let me just check something on. Remember she said the tokens that are on crypto market cap, under the USA.
Oh, yeah.
They're the ones that she liked. From
is that because what was that?
They'll bull post the shit out of it, right?
Yeah. Is that because they're made in the USA, wasn't it?
Yeah. How do I? Oh, here we go. Categories.
Yeah, it was something like that. And I'm guessing that's to do with regulation and their fondness of said coins that they trust versus something made in China. Like I think a V-chain is a Chinese coin, I think.
Yeah.
I think. I could be misquoting there, guys, but something like that.
No, I think you're right. Made in America. Yeah. So is XRP made in America?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, which is one of the reasons.
It's in the list.
Cardano, guys. ADA.
Oh,
I'm hearing things. Charles is coming back. He's got his shirt back on after dancing in Africa for a bit. And oh man, I used to quite enjoy listening to him in 21. I used to listen to some of his stuff, and I thought he was so smart, man. I had a good run on ADA in 21, Greeny. I made quite good money.
Oh, look, I made money on ADA in 21.
I think we must have all, because that just went. It was great coin. It was like a stable coin that went up over time. I remember talking to my electrician back in 7 years ago when I was getting the lights done here when I first got into crypto. Oh, I'm exaggerating, 5 years ago. And we were talking about ADA at I don't know, 15 cents or something. Anyway, good times, guys, good times. But it's kind of the joke of, I think, was it Alex Becker?
Yeah.
Kind of gave ADA shit. But look at that. It's up. It's up. That and Chainlink.
Yeah, they're on the week. Can you lose XP on Abstract? No, you can't lose XP on Abstract.
Not unless they retrospectively
unless
go back.
They ban you or something, yeah. Too late to get into hype? No, I've been accumulating nicely in this area on not financial advice, obviously. Walls, you're in the chat. Walls, why are you bullish on Hyperliquid? Give me your thesis. Yeah, I don't know. I generally, I don't mind the link play. I really don't mind the link play here. That's quite bullish when we think about it. So from a chart perspective, I would love to get a bit more of a pullback here. What's momentum? Yeah, momentum is overextended, but the monthly is the monthly still has lots of room. This chart looks really good. I actually really like this chart, to be honest. But yeah, whether we get a pullback or a breakout here, that's yet to be seen. So one on my list. So do we correct here? Maybe not yet. Maybe. Yeah, but see, usually when you pump, you do see a bit of a correction here in RSI on the weekly. So yeah, keeping an eye on that chat. Keeping an eye on that. Okay. I have a huge engagement bait tweet that is doing numbers, Craig. It's up 15K in the last half an hour.
Yeah, that's ridiculous, guys. That is ridiculous. Fuck,
people love speculating, mate. People love speculating. But yeah, markets wise, let's go to Abstract. Abs is pumping today, which is great to see. Yeah, look, do I become interested in this? Unfortunately, this dip happened when I was asleep, so I would have probably been a little bit interested down at the 0.5, but it didn't happen for me. So it's now bouncing off this 382 a little bit as well. So Absa continues to show a lot of strength, which is great. But yeah, again, just consolidating. I think we're just consolidating here. Cyclops hitting a new all-time high, or not quite hitting a new all-time high. A lot of sell pressure here from some people as it attempts to break a new all-time high. Guna obviously going sideways as well. Okay. Again, consolidation here, not really phased by that. Newt really struggling for mind share. And yeah, look, I mean, it could break higher from here. Traditionally, that's where you give really good R&R, but has it lost the mind share of narratives and stuff as well? Who knows? You keep an eye on it. Google broke its macro support. That's why I sold the little juicy number that I got. Yeah. Oh, is that out as well? We'll bring that up. And what else we got here? We got God. It's just consolidating at these highs as well. Staying up here. I mean, the fact that people are stepping at the 236 just shows how much strength there is on this chart.
Yeah, that coin, that dog just does not really break down, man. No. I've been waiting. I'm waiting. I think everyone's waiting for a pullback and we can't get one.
No, I don't think you're going to see one. I mean, you might see one if the whole market kind of dumps a little bit, but at this point in time, it doesn't look like. Okay, so Wells replied to me about Hyperliquid. Fantastic. Red Spar, same again. It's probably showing less strength compared to God, but yeah, basically same again. Consolidating in this little area here below the high fib. S&P, we already spoke about it. Again, I like the coin. I like the meme. I think it's good. I just have taken profits up in this region after getting in around 600K initially. But yeah, if it holds a straight 2, you could look for a swing trade out of here. Maybe something like this. Okay. If not, then I'd become interested in seeing what happens at the GP. If not, if it does come all the way down again, down to this region, then we'll keep an eye on it as well. You got to remember, a lot of these tokens, like Guna went all the way back down. Guna went all the way back down to 200K. Yeah. So, like, things take time, guys. Look at this. Like, Guna went all the way back down to, 300K. There you go. 300K after going from 200K to 2.5 million. So, these things take time. The other one's not really interested. Like, I don't really talk about Berry and stuff. I don't know. I'm just not interested. Pullback, give me a bigger pullback. I become interested. Mojo as well. If I see certain people talk about coins, I'm just not interested. This chart just looks horrible. Like, this isn't an authentic chart at all. Like, look at this volume. Okay. There's red flags everywhere. Okay. This is such weird price action. Okay. This doesn't, like, you can tell this is manipulated in a range of different ways, just from price action, the candle structure, chart structure, and volume. Volume here looks so odd that it looks just weird. Okay. So avoiding that. GG's cool meme, etc. I liked authentic charts. Right?
That's just a more authentic chart, isn't it?
I mean, this is, yeah, exactly, right? Like, as you can see, volume died off. Okay, we saw a bit of an increase. We saw a bottom form. Okay, higher low, well, not high lows, but a bottom fall, rounding bottom, equal lows, equal highs, and we broke out of that accumulation zone there. And yeah, so this is maybe, if we do see a bit of a pullback, maybe I'll become interested. What else we got? Everything else is not really interested at this point in time. Genie, they are still building. It has come back down a bit to the 382, not quite yet. I mean, I think I got in around 470, something like that. So I don't know. I'll keep an eye on it. But these guys are building. They're not going away. So happy to hodl that one. And you're on a small portion. Deep Pengu is the risky one, in my opinion, because you're basically hoping that dark mode gets added to the platform. So,
I love that. The thesis on that.
Such a gamble. It is such a gamble, man. It's such a gamble.
The chart.
Wow. It's a weird. I mean, like, we talk about weird charts. It's just like, as you can see, there's a lot of sellers, and there's also buyers. There's also buyers stepping in. That's the wicks. So, yeah. Again, this is like, I think I hold $1,000 of this, but I don't know. Maybe it's not even worth holding, guys. Maybe it's not worth holding. Okay. Wall said about Hyperliquid. Smart people I know are bullish on it. That's always a fair play to discuss as well. Yes, which is all he needed to know initially. Incredible chart. I do agree with the chart. More and more bullish updates. Hyperliquid built different. Buyback, meta, reliability for trading perps on chain. I like both those points, and built by a trader who knows his stuff. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's hard to not form a thesis on that specifically. Craig sent me this. Chrono Forge. I think they're coming to abstract very soon, if not.
Yeah, I just saw Dyla. She shared it. So on Finn's on there as well. So just a tip, guys, if anyone releases, say, a game on abstract or tokens, just jump in and see who the followers are, or see who's making comments. And if you see Finn and Dyla and they're commenting, you're probably safe to engage with it, I guess, is what I'm saying.
Yes, agreed.
I don't even know what this is, Greeny. What is this?
I think it's a game. I think I chatted with him on a space one time, but
anyway,
we'll watch the trailer. Hopefully it's not too loud.
Sick.
The Southern Waster, anything.
Holy shit, that's loud, guys. I've turned it down a bit. Is that loud on your end or not?
Quite loud, but not outrageous. But
that was on 35. Okay, I'll put it on 20.
But empty.
Is it a Western?
The Southern Waster, anything but empty. Visit an expedition beset by an otherworldly storm. Strut through town in full.
I'm gonna get demonetized again by this bullshit song that's in the background. Oh, YouTube, you suck, bro.
Why?
Because YouTube doesn't want creators to earn money from songs that are released somewhere else, right?
But
fuck. Get up. Before
that looks good, though. What is
that's
awesome.
I gotta pause again here. Interrupt.
And taking out the sand charger that got him spooked.
It kind of reminds me. I've never played it, but Red Dead
Redemption.
Yeah. It kind of has that vibe.
Yeah.
It's just not as like real life, like a bit more like character play.
It's den.
Yeah.
But speak nothing of the banned armaments hidden inside. And finish up your day with a well-earned rest.
The American style of this, Craig. Oh my god, man!
With the boys.
The boys.
At the Hungry Hound and dress for the occasion as your favorite dish, chili corn.
Eat your heart out. Other side.
I mean, it looks kind of like the other side in a way. It does, eh?
Yeah, when are we going to mint land, Greeny? Tell me there's a land mint. Let's
Oh,
do it all again.
I'm not doing that, eh? I'm not doing
I got a coda.
yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good. Like, it'd be cool if they. Hold on, just volume. But like, oh, they've got multiple videos. So if this is like actually big in terms of like they have multiple, like if you like story mode is like a
cool.
really in depth, like multiple different like locations. So this could go well. Like people will love this shit. So it does look pretty good, bro. September 10th. Have your piece of the world, Craig. Have your piece of the world, mate.
I want a piece. I want a piece. I'll mint anything.
Oh, no. So maybe it can be a human. Maybe you are a human. Oh, my God. The volume on these things. Yeah, dude. This looks pretty good.
Yeah, man. I'm in.
Wait, is there an NFT?
I don't know.
Chrono Forge. Oh, are these like in-game characters? I don't even know. But yeah, okay, that's cool. But yeah, big announcement. This one is coming to Abstract. Abstract is cooking. Stay patient. Stay patient. Stay patient. Anyways, what else? Let's talk in chat. All right. Yeah, we looked at Pengu earlier. I gave 2 scenarios that I think happens on Pengu. So watch the replay back on GC Crypto TV. Follow us on Twitter for exclusive giveaways next week. Now, more on that actually, because people might not have been here at the start of the stream. Basically, we're partnering with someone next week. We're super excited. It'll be cash giveaways. 2 ways to qualify is follow GC Crypto on Twitter. You must follow that, otherwise you will not qualify. Second, you need to tune in to our live streams. Little bonus for people who watch our shows live every day, 9 a.m. So obviously, yeah, we understand not everyone can tune in, particularly our friends in Europe. We understand that. But basically, yeah, tune into the show if you want the bonus of everything. But if you want to qualify for at least half of it, make sure you follow GC Crypto on Twitter. That's pretty much, that's the main takeaway, isn't it, Craig?
I think so. Yeah, follow us, GC Crypto on Twitter or GC Crypto TV. Yeah. And things are going to get pretty good. Some cash money. Suncoast Boats, Greeny. Suncoast Boats.
Who's Sunshine Coast Boats? Is that like...
Is that Kenny? Coast?
Is that Kenny or someone like who? I don't know, bro.
Is it someone's business that knows us that lives...
I don't know. Have you met me before? Like, what are you doing?
They're on quite regularly, actually. Please name my goat.
I don't know what he means by that.
I'm going to name your goat Greeny. Anyway, so I got distracted. What are we talking about? Yeah, some cash prizes. So yeah, got to give us a follow.
Yeah,
got to give us a follow. And I think tuning in live might get you a little bit bonus too, Greeny.
You get a bonus to the point that it might be 50-50 split for live viewers or people who follow us. That's how good it's going to be.
And it's a decent prize as well, guys. This will buy you a little bit more than a large milkshake and fries at Macca's. This is taking your wife and kids out to gold class, full meal, tickets, you name it.
And it's not just a one-off either. It'll be back to back to back to back. So make sure you go follow. Okay, I'm trying to find this ticker. It's literally not even in the top 30, bro. That people keep shilling in my...
He is multi-ordering.
Dude, there's like 6 different contract addresses. I'm not going to put this on stream. I'm not putting this shit on stream. Anyways, yeah, go follow us, guys. We want to give back to you. We want to give back to you. We want to give back.
Hey, shout out to Kloss, who is
yeah, that's odd. Good on him.
Yeah, as what was the job? Fuck.
I don't know. That's not the right Kloss.
Kloss, who is
the stream popped up.
That echo. Oh, my voice.
Where did he put it? Yeah, here. Some of you might share my content. We realized time to shout out. I've joined as their social lead. Dude, that's pretty big. We should get him on the show again.
Yes, we should get him on the show again. That's good, dude. Big Adam. The ship looks great to you next to your name. I asked when I'm getting a ship next to my name.
I mean, they follow you, bro. That's wild.
Yeah, I know. Actually, I might have to DM them, eh? Hey
Please give me a
guys,
follow.
I'm open for. There's plenty of room on this chest for more names, bro. I need
There's
to.
plenty of room in the background for more names, Greg.
Now that my hand's healing, I'll get back on the incline fly dumbbells, guys, and I'll stretch this out, and there'll be bigger. There'll be room for bigger names, Italian names, Maserati, Ferrari. I don't even know what I'm saying, but
Colgate.
Colgate. Yeah, I don't know what else.
Someone needs to put us in contact with Colgate, bro. The amount of like beautiful just smiles and white teeth that we give on stream.
That would be good. I'd like that. Yeah, I would like that. And probably heading into my older years, free prostate exams, man, might be something might have to get. So now that I'm in my 40s, Greeny, apparently I got to start doing that stuff, don't I? So yeah, might have to get a
shit, bro. Yeah, fair play. You actually do. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm seeing ads on TV recently that says you can do it from home now. I don't know if you poo in a fucking thing and send it off or what, but fuck.
Well, and also I'm pretty sure bowel cancer is around. It might be 50s that you get those tests.
Yeah, it's something to look forward to, eh?
Oh, bro. Hey, at least that's a beauty. I mean, we could go down the health trend again of our country, Craig. Like, I'm sure America people don't have those things that that Australia health industries help look after us. So
no, we're good. We're pretty good here. But
yeah,
I can't wait to get back into the gym, man. Now that my hands 2 more weeks and I can get back in.
Oh, there. Dude, I need to go lift some weight. So
the old head.
Yeah, honestly, not much else there, guys. The market is chilling. We've talked about a lot today. Lots of alpha as always. We do appreciate everyone tuning in. We do appreciate all the tips. Craig, is there anything else you want to discuss before we end today?
No, not really, man. Shout out to everyone for the tips. Hopefully everyone's in good health. Moving back to 45% for bowel cancer. Floppy, I hope you're not serious about that. Hopefully everyone's in good health. Now, dude, not really. Market's steady, so it's not really low enough for me to make a move. So I can't really say to everybody, this is what I'm doing. I'm not. I guess I can tell you what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just watching the market, just watching Bitcoin. What I wouldn't mind to. What's Bitcoin dominance? Is it still hitting down? Yeah, okay.
It's below 59.
Yeah, it's sort of balanced.
It's around 59. It's around 50.
Yeah, need that to continue to break down. The DXY breaking down still slightly. Yeah, I think everything's looking pretty good, dude. I think we just have to weather a little bit of sideways crab for a little bit longer, then I think we go up. So, no, look, I'm just going to sit on my hands. I'm happy just to watch the market. I'm not terribly enthused to throw money at anything right now, unless I see something new and shiny. So I'm watching the market. Well, what's the word Greeny says? I'm cautiously optimistic.
Yeah, I'm optimistically cautious.
Optimistic.
That's you know what? That's a tweet right now.
Yeah, that's me at the moment. So I did see you put up a tweet saying, was it give me more fear?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So I need to see that Richter scale go more. I want to see a few more of you pucker your sphincters, and then I'll start to buy. It sounded gross. Hey, fuck. Yeah. Sorry, OKX. It was a terrible use of language. But no, I for me to go to buy with a big bag, I need to see people freak out a bit. So ETF outflows would be good to see. I did notice that shorts were heavily outnumbering longs. I think by a good 6% yesterday. So we might actually see a snap back. Although I suppose you could consider, the 114 to 116 a bit of a snapback. But as long as that ratio's, I feel like if that short ratio continues to be fairly out of whack, I think we're going to snap back pretty hard. But I haven't checked the long short ratio. Greeny, have you?
No, I haven't looked at that for a while. Just more so because I'm not really trading. So I know the short longs on ETH down to like 4.1, I think, were quite stacked. So potentially we could go lower and grab that liquidity. But ETH's holding up well still. So
it is. So to answer your question, I'm sitting on my hands, dude. I'm just going to wait patiently and see. I'm just going to see what the market decides it wants to do, and I'll swim with it. So, you and me, I'm in position. It's not like I'm not. I guess that's the beauty of where you and I are now, in that I don't need to do anything. I can wait. I guess I'm in the luxury that I can let the market come to me. So that's where you really want to be. I don't want to chase it. I don't want to chase dips. I don't want to chase pumps. So yeah, I'm just, it's kind of nice actually. I kind of feel I'm comfy. I feel comfy.
Agreed.
So, not much, but we've got XP Day tomorrow. That's pretty cool. Abstract XP Day. So that's probably pretty exciting. We've got Eli on the show. Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be going over XP and hopefully mine rockets up. We will see if Memecoins have made a big difference to mine. I got 58,000 last week. Let's see what an extra 20 grand worth of Memecoins, 15 grand does to my XP. Hoping for 70k plus. That would do me. 70 to 80 would be bloody beautiful. Are you thinking you'll hit the same, Greeny, 150 again?
I actually don't know. I think I might do less this week. I don't know. I haven't. I don't know. It depends. It does depend. I mean, I'm still holding. It's like I've still got a little bit of profits, but I did move about 8 grand into stables. So maybe I don't get as good this week, but we'll wait and see. Hey, we'll wait and see what's happening. Yeah. I still hold my 17 Gigaverse ROMs. I still play that game every day. So that naturally in itself also gives me extra XP from a different point of view as well, compared to just holding the memes over there. So yeah, I don't know. I'll be intrigued to see how I go this week. Yeah, I mean, 150 is insane. So like that's, I think like top 10 people, maybe like top 25 people in the whole channel. Yeah. So, so like, yeah, naturally pretty happy with that. Look, if I can maintain 100k from now on, I'm pretty happy with that. It's an interesting point of time. It is.
What's your goal from here? What do you want? Do you want to get?
I don't even know. Like it's like I mean, unless like we discussed with Eli, which we'll talk about tomorrow as well, unless like they start changing the XP model, no one's going to hit diamond. So maybe there'll be bonuses and stuff moving forward. Then I might become more interested. But at this point in time, it's hodl my memes and hopefully I can make a couple 100k on my Memecoin bags.
Yeah, I agree. So for now, you're not chasing 10 million?
Nah, not in XP. Nah.
Yeah.
I feel like platinum should be pretty rewarding, I would assume. You still want to be higher in the leaderboard of platinum. I mean, go watch my video, guys. I literally just did a YouTube video about how to understand XP. And a guy, again, I spoke about this last week. We spoke about it on previous shows as well, Craig. We took a guy from like 2k XP to 12k in a week because he was doing the wrong thing. So yeah, if you want to earn more XP on abstract, check out the video I released on YouTube a few days ago. I'm releasing some more. Busy times. I forget to do my shorts as well, Craig. Think of ideas. I need someone to create content ideas for me so then I can just go, yeah, okay, I'll do that.
That would be bloody brilliant.
And then I've got tax stuff. Like I need a PA.
I know, man. But then it's like you need to find someone you can trust. And then
I need to find $10 million so I can pay everyone.
It's a bloody nightmare, it is a nightmare being a content creator out there today, Greeny. No, it's actually a bloody good blessing.
I love it, man. I'm proud of us, our journey. I put a tweet up this morning to say how proud I am, which is cool. But shout out to Mike Judas who just put me in a tweet. Hasn't followed me back yet, the dog. So hopefully he follows me back. But basically put up the tweet with Eli and co on here as well. Oh, dude, I got tagged with some goats. Let's go. Seed phrase.
Big J Bond.
Holy shit. Wait, Bobby as well from CEO from CoinGecko? Hectic. Dude, why did I get tagged? Why did Eli and I get tagged in this? What? Wait, I follow J Bond. Oh no, I tagged the wrong J Bond.
Oh, is it a fake one?
Yeah, it's a fake one.
Because the real J Bond's got his punk. I think
yeah. So yeah, I mean, there's some goats on this list. So that's pretty good.
Bobby Ong.
Yeah, I mean, that's cool.
Am I right? What was it? Were there people speculating that Bobby or whatever his name is from CoinGecko?
Oh wait, I'm 8th grade. What the hell? Maybe it changed. Sorry to interrupt. Go.
Was buying abstract memes. Did you see that?
Yes. No, it was
that bullshit. Who?
No. I think you're right. I think you're right. I did see something.
He put up a post saying, "What should he buy?" Was it him?
Yeah, it was definitely him as well. That's ridiculous. I saw a few people.
Ridiculous. That's ridiculous if he's doing that. That's really good. I mean, obviously he's doing that to get the coin to list on CoinGecko, but
yeah,
I'm fine with that, bro. Dude, game's game. Go hard, Bobby. Shill my bags, bro.
Yeah.
I'm sure it was him or someone like him anyway.
Yeah, no, I do remember seeing him. So yeah, we'll see. Is Kato changed then? Maybe I'm up. Yeah, sorry, you go.
No, nothing. No, nothing. Oh yeah. I need to look at what he was buying. To be honest,
I've seen a few people generally take the same consensus as we have, and I think that's probably because they like people probably see our show and stuff, so they probably go, "Oh, these guys are talking about these specific things." Oh no, so he must have screen grabbed it last night. I've lost percentages overnight, chat. Damn, I am at 15. Okay. Oh well, cool. All right, just catching up on chat.
Yeah, same.
B Epic says that's what my lovely wife is for. Yeah, she does help me out with a lot of stuff. She's got her own job, unfortunately. Yeah, Allison said I would offer for PA, but time zone is so different. Well, that's also the other query as well. Like, like people who you do connect with, they're often around the other side of the world.
Yeah, it's a tricky one. Oh, we will have a few giveaways. We've got actually Greeny and I need to talk about this offline, but I'll talk about it online. We got a God giveaway we can do.
Oh yeah.
So we just need to chat to Colin about how we want to do it. So how we want to do the giveaway, what we need to make, what hoops we need to make people jump through to win some shit. So
okay.
We'll get that going, guys. So we'll probably get that going next couple of days, give away some gods. That's pretty cool. I like the token too. So it's a nice one to give away and talk about. That's not utter dog shit. Excuse the pun, right? Pretty good. By mistake too at this time of morning. But yeah, so shout out to the crew there. Very generous. In fact, they followed me up to remind me that they wanted to do so. Sorry, guys, I was pretty slack there. Greeny and I have been so fucking busy, man. But we do have a giveaway, guys. So tune in probably. You know what? Tomorrow's probably a good day, Greeny, to give it away if we've got enough runway time to generate some hype.
Yeah.
Maybe XP day. So maybe we can do something like that so we can chat offline. And so maybe a giveaway tomorrow, guys. Maybe a giveaway tomorrow live on stream if you guys want to tune in. Giveaway with God if the team agrees to that. And then hopefully, Greeny, in the next few days we can announce some more shit. Hopefully about some partners.
I'll just send you a message now with what we should have. They should follow us on X. They should follow us on Kick, and then they should comment on a post that we post.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll get that going with the team. So yeah, tune in tomorrow, guys. Probably give away a bit of God. Other than that, Greeny, I'm comfy, bro. I'm looking forward to tomorrow's show with Eli. It's always a fucking banger with that dude. Always real funny, guys. If you're into abstract, definitely tune in. If you're not into abstract, I would probably still tune in just to see why Greeny and I have been banging on about it for probably the better part of 6 months. Yeah. Probably made you guys sick, but we're hopefully we'll make some of you some money, or you will make yourselves some money. But
that's it.
Other than that, Greeny, anything else you want to?
No, mate. We can leave with the outro, and we'll get stuck in, guys. So off you go, Craig.
All right. Well, of course, thank you again to OKX. Channel partner and sponsor, OKX Australia. Thank you for sponsoring GC Crypto, our stream we do every morning and every night. If you're into spot trading, they are the platform to go to, whether you're new or old. Once again, the link's in description. You can find that there. Any questions, fire them away to Greeny and myself. Once again, chat, thanks for pulling up. Thanks for all your comments. Loads of comments today. So thanks again for tuning in. And we will see you guys Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wednesday, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard for XP Day with Big Dog Eli, the best here in crypto, him and Farouk. So definitely pull up. Let's see what we can do. For those of you who are struggling with XP, jump on in. Let's see if we can help optimize your points as economically as possible. And hopefully we can share some alpha, some jokes, some education, and some free crypto if you sign up to OKX. They're giving away $75 if you sign up with our referral. So pretty generous of them. There'll be a lot more coming from them in the future as well. So other than that, Greeny, have a great day. We'll see you on the timeline, and let's kick some fucking ass.
Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the tips. And yeah, $75 if you sign up with OKX. All right, see you all tomorrow.